In today's video, I'm wanting to teach you how to integrate WhatsApp in Zoho CRM. If you want your team to start conversations where customers already are, bringing WhatsApp into your CRM is a great step. I'll guide you through finding the right extension and installing it cleanly so you can get up and running without any confusion. First, sign into your Zoho CRM and head to the homepage. Look toward the top right corner for the settings icon, which usually appears as a gear or wrench. Click it to open the main settings area. If you don't see the icon, make sure you have the right permissions or try expanding your browser window so the top menu is fully visible. Inside the settings area, locate Marketplace. This is the built-in catalog where Zoho hosts apps and extensions that add extra capabilities to your CRM. Open Marketplace to browse available tools. Think of it as your one-stop shop for official add-ons, verified connectors, and partner-built integrations. Once Marketplace is open, switch to the All section. This view shows the complete list of extensions rather than a filtered subset. Clicking All helps ensure you're seeing every option compatible with your CRM, which makes it easier to find the exact WhatsApp integration you need. Now, use the search bar and type the word "What's." Keeping the search short helps surface anything related to WhatsApp, even if the exact extension name varies slightly. If your results seem sparse, double check your spelling or clear any filters. You should see listings related to WhatsApp appear right away. From the results, select WhatsApp for Zoho CRM. Open the listing to view its overview, screenshots, and details. This page is useful for confirming you've got the right extension and understanding what it enables, like sending messages from records or viewing chat history inside the CRM. It's also a good place to check publisher information and recent updates so you know it's maintained and compatible with your edition. On the extension page, click Install. This begins the installation process. You may be prompted to accept permissions or terms. That's standard for extensions that connect messaging services with CRM data. If your account doesn't have permission to install extensions, reach out to your administrator to complete this part. After you confirm, the installation will proceed and the extension will be added to your CRM. That's it. You've located Marketplace, found WhatsApp for Zoho CRM, and installed it. Thanks for watching, and enjoy streamlining your customer conversations.